Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will talk about Ismail al-Jazari, a genius of the Islamic Golden Age whose groundbreaking inventions laid the foundation for modern engineering and robotics. Born in the 12th century, al-Jazari was a master of mechanical design, blending arts, science, and ingenuity knowledge of ingenious mechanical devices. Written in 1206 showcases a remarkable array of automata clocks and water raising machines that continue to inspire and awe engineers and historians alike. Join us as we explore the life, inventions, and enduring legacy of his remarkable polymath. Ismail al-Jazari, full name Badiul Zama Abu al-Iz Ismail ibn al-Razak al-Jazari, was born in 1136 in the region of Al-Jazira, which is in present-day southeastern Turkey. Little is known about his early life, including his education and family background. However, it is believed that he came from a family of craftsmen and engineers, which likely influenced his early interest and proficiency in mechanical engineering and innovations. Al-Jazari spent much of his career in the service of the Artukid dynasty, particularly under the patronage of Nasiruddin Mahmud, the ruler of the Artukid dynasty in Diyarbakir. It was during this time that he developed many of his most famous inventions and wrote his influential book. His position in the court provided him with the resources and support needed to experiment with and perfect his designs, blending his practical skills with theoretical knowledge to create devices that were not only functional but also artistically impressive. While details of his early life remain sparse, al-Jazari's contribution to mechanical engineering and his lasting impact on the field are well documented, ensuring his place in history as one of the most innovative engineers of his time. Pioneering hydraulic technology, al-Jazari made significant advances in the use of hydraulics. His design included sophisticated water clocks and water raising machines that demonstrated his deep understanding of fluid mechanics. Number 2 is automata for entertainment. Beyond functional devices, al-Jazari created elaborate automata for entertainment. One of his most famous was a mechanical peacock that served drinks, showcasing his ability to blend engineering with artistry. Number 3 is innovative control systems. Al-Jazari work included some of the earliest examples of programmable machines. His devices were often complex timing and control mechanisms, such as the use of water flow to regulate timings in his clock and automata. Number 4 one is integration of different cultures. Al-Jazari's design was influenced by various cultures and technologies. His famous elephant clock incorporated animals from Greek, Egyptian, Indian, and Islamic cultures, reflecting a global approach to innovations. Number 5, emphasis on practical application. Unlike many of his contemporaries, al-Jazari was deeply focused on the practical implications of his design. His machines were intended for everyday use, such as water pumps for irrigation and clocks for timekeeping rather than purely for theoretical explorations. Number 6, artistic details. His machines were not only functional but also highly decorative. Al-Jazari placed a strong emphasis on aesthetics, and many of his devices featuring intricate designs and artistic flourishes, which were uncommon for engineering work of his time. Number 7, legacy in modern engineering. Many of his principles and mechanisms are considered precursors to modern engineering concepts. His use of cams, crankshafts, and other mechanical elements laid the groundwork for future developments in machinery and automation. Influence on European Renaissance. Although Al-Jazari's work was primarily known in the Islamic world, his inventions and ideas gradually made their way to Europe, influencing Renaissance engineering and inventors who built upon his innovations. These lesser known aspects of Al-Jazari's life and work highlighted his multifaceted contribution to engineering, art, and cultural exchange, cementing his legacy as a pioneer in mechanical innovations. He was a prominent scholar, inventor, and mechanical engineering during the Islamic Golden Age, primarily in the 12th and early 13th centuries. His most famous work is the Book of Knowledge of Ingenious Mechanical Devices, written in 1206, which detailed various automata, clocks, and other mechanical devices. Some of his notable inventions includes automated machines. He designed and built numerous automated devices including water raising machines, mechanical clocks, and automata for entertainment purposes. Clocks. His design for clocks, especially water clocks and candle clocks, were highly innovative. One famous example is the elephant clock, which made a complex multicultural timepiece featuring Greek, Egyptian, Indian, and Islamic influences. Robotic devices. He created various robotic mechanisms such as a drink service waitress automaton and a hand washing automata, showcasing his understanding of hydraulics and robotics. Al-Jazari's works significantly influenced the fields of engineering and robotics, laying foundation principles for future developments in these areas. I hope you have liked this video, so kindly like, subscribe, and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.